Good morning. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 3460 Loadstone Drive in the Sherman Oaks area, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line for Cheryl and Christopher Grimley. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focusing on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I wasn't able to locate an exposed or accessible main sewer line cleanout. A main sewer line cleanout is an area similar to what you see here. It has a removable cap, but it's going to be outside the structure as the drain system exits the building, and in this case would be at the front, and it allows access into the upper end of the main sewer pipe rather than coming into it through a building drain system. So what we're doing is we've got this 3-inch cleanout here on the right side of the building here in the driveway area. This is just outside our hallway bathroom, so we're going to drop in here and push through about 20 feet of pipe or so to get outside into the main sewer pipe. See here, we're going to twist around a little bit, get some water running. Bathroom sink here. Let's keep our camera clean. A little bit of standing water in the pipes under the structure. And here we're coming up on our main sewer pipe. Right here is where we're changing from the cast iron to the clay. Now this would be the location we would normally expect to see a main sewer line cleanout. And if one were there, we'd see the opening at the top of the pipe, and we don't see it. So I'm going to recommend that one be installed. As we continue down through the main sewer pipe, you'll see why. Alright, so this is vitrified clay piping, a very common material for main sewer line systems. This type of pipe does have a long service life expectancy, and being a natural material, it's not expected to deteriorate underground like the iron pipes do, but it is more brittle in nature and does have a higher potential for damage during seismic activity or earthquakes. So we're looking specifically for any areas of significant cracking or breaking, offsets or separations of the pipe section joints or the connection joints. As you come around this first turn, you're going to see some root intrusions here at this next joint. Root intrusions at the joint areas of these older clay pipes is fairly common, and normally we are going to suggest that they can be maintained with regular sewer line cleanings. It's when they're left unmaintained for extended periods that they can create blockages in the system or potentially damage a pipe. That's the main purpose, or the primary purpose of that main sewer line cleanout. Cleaning a line from a smaller cleanout on the side of the structure like this is not really ideal, and can be much less effective. Excuse me, some cobwebs off. Alright, so we'll continue down here. We came out of the front of the building there near the right front corner and turned about 45 degrees heading across down towards the lower end of the front walkway there up to the front porch. minor root intrusions here. Alright, so here we're taking a pretty steep drop. And we've got a pretty good amount of roots here through this drop here. These are just kind of growing down inside the pipe. So we're definitely at the point now where we're going to recommend a good thorough cleaning of the system. There's a couple of areas that the roots are starting to become significant enough where there's a concern of potential blockage. See some more root intrusion with debris on it here. We've dropped down now about at the sidewalk area, and we've increased in pipe diameter from the 4-inch to a 6-inch pipe now. And we're running out pretty much straight out now to the middle of the street to connect up to our public sewer. This turn, this will be our city sewer connection. And we've got some more pretty good root intrusions here with a lot of debris buildup on them. This particular area is pretty limited from view, and because of its location being under the street and potential repairs being quite costly, I would prefer that the line was cleaned and that we take a second to look at this area just to make sure that there's no breaks or significant cracks that would dictate repair. And right there's our public sewer connection. Alright, so at this point what we're recommending is that a standard main sewer line cleanout is installed. We placed an orange marker flag there up next to the structure near the front right corner of the building in the planter area. Pipe's about 2 feet deep there. We would recommend that the cleanout be installed and that a good thorough cleaning is done of the system to remove the root intrusions as best as possible to maximize visibility for a follow-up examination. Just to take a better look at those couple of areas, make sure nothing's cracked or broken or would dictate any type of repair. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video portion of the examination for today. Please do refer to my written report for the final findings and recommendations. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.